everybody, it's AJ. I'm still kind of here somewhere. What I have here, there's the key. Lockpicking Dev, this is his first challenge lock. And I have the privilege, the honor, to pick it first. Got it yesterday. And he actually said he's going to send it to me a while ago, but due to the corona, what have you, he had to wait a while. So finally got it out. He was finally able to get it out, I should say. And I got it. There's the key again. We're going to see if I can pick this thing. I mean, it's a Yale. So, yay for me. As a lot of you know, Yales are not the easiest locks for me to pick. A little something on 2. Got a nice click on 4 there. Ooh, nice false set. Nice false set. I'm going to come back up to 1 here. Sweetness. There it is. She is open. That is sweet, brothers. And yes, that is the second time I opened it. I will not lie. That's the second time. So, I kind of knew what to go for. So, yeah. That's the second time. First time took me considerably longer. But, hey. I'll still take it. So, let's see what's inside of this thing if I can. There it goes. Sorry about that. Let's clean that back up a little bit. With this light, I think, because it makes it blurry. Yeah. I wonder. Whoops. I did have one up here, but I don't know where it went, and I don't know if it's the right size. Oh, it is the right size, so we'll just do it this way. Because he's got grub screws in there, so we'll just do it that way. Okay. I found my tweezers now. Where'd they go? I had them in front of me a minute ago. Maybe I stuck them back in here. Yes, I did. Okay. 1 copper spring. Nice. Nice pin work, man. Really nice pin work. I know it's blurry, but I'll get you some close-ups here in a few minutes when I get them all out. Nice serrated spool, I guess you'd call that. Yeah, like I said, it's always, to me, it's always an honor to, that's a beautiful pin, to be the first to pick somebody's, one of their first challenge locks. That's a nice floater pin too. That's a real nice pin. And 3 tweezers went somewhere. Must have come out. There we go. Nice spool, double spool almost, with a nice little serrated driver, I guess. I just noticed that pin chamber 6 has got nothing in it, and I thought it was pin for 6. I must not have paid that close attention. Beautiful pin work. Beautiful pin work. driver. There's our key pin. Okay, let's take a look at these pins here. Zoom this up. There is key pin 1. Nice spool with a serration just below it. And there is driver 1. Just a hair more. Look at the detail in those pins, man. You did a really nice job, brother. Nice one serration in that one. And there is driver 2, and that floats. So that gives you, whoops. So that gives you a bit of a headache because that thing just floats around in there. Key pin 3, a nice deep spool. And there's driver 3. Real tight serration at the end and a double spool. Crazy. And there it is. Nice double serrations in that. And a nice double spool for a driver for 4. And a nice little spool in 5. And look at that. Spool, serration, and a spool. That's just awesome. Hell of a lock, brother. Hell of a lock. That is. There it is. Lockpicking Dev. Challenge lock number 1. Awesome, man. Again, honored to do it. Privileged to do it. And everybody else, thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay legal, stay lawful, and keep on picking. Okay, everybody. It's AJ. Again, here. And you can see there was 6 pins. I was right. And the 6th one was in the bag. And that's key pin 6 and driver 6 right there. It was in a bag. The grub screw came out. But I had to show it again. Sorry for the little jiggly. But there it is. I thought so. Okay. Alright, I just had to show it because it was worth showing. Alright, everybody. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay legal, stay lawful, and keep on picking.